So I don't think the first time.
So we're in Clovis, California. We're just taking a look at an Uponor piping here. You can see this cavity. There is the ceiling below us, and then there's the attic above us. And this is a dead space in between floors. It's a chase for plumbing, mechanical, electrical, all of it. So you've got 4 Uponor pipes running through. You got a cold line on the right, cold line on the left. Those are both cold. And then you also have a hot 1-inch line and a hot 3/4 line, and I can tell that by grabbing onto them. So this one is marked right here with that X straight through the pipe in the back is where it's leaking. I'm going to try and get you a picture of it live, or a video, so we can see it. And let me see. It's a very fine line, so it's hard to.
I see this.
There, so there you can see it just splintering off right there. Sorry about the. You can see the kind of the foggy. Anyways, there's the spray right there. Let me see if I can get my hand on here. Yeah, you can see on my hand right there. Water starting to build up, and so that's where it's leaking right there. And I can see it better, just holding it out away from here. Anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut it out, repair it, and get this pipe sent off to Uponor and see if what they want to cover under warranty. Outside of that, this inspection is done. So we're done here in Clovis, California. First part of this video, we showed you a pipe that was spraying right here at this block, and this is the pipe. This was Wurzbo, I believe, when it was installed. The name of the manufacturer, they changed names, and I think this house is about 15 to 20 years old, but it's now Uponor. So this existing piping, all of it, the cold and the hot, that's all Uponor. So all we did is we cut that piece out. We gave you a section about 18 inches, 2 foot long. The labeling, which helps you identify it, obviously is melted off just from heat going through it. You can't even hardly read it, but we are going to send you that pipe so you can take a look and see what you'd like to do as far as a warranty goes. So just 2 rings and a coupling here, 2 rings and a coupling there, and then of course we're going to get some straps back on here. We took them out to find out which one was leaking, and then it's still strapped up there. You can see the lines are still strapped, one over there, and then of course these 3 over here. So we're going to let it sit a little bit, and we're turning the water back on, test it out. Outside of that, this installation is done.